Good day, all my amazing friends out there. I'm so happy to see you again through my channel, Vinny's Artisan Journey. Well, I'm sure most of you guys like to eat grilled fish, don't you? And I'm here to share with you the easy way to make grilled spicy fish and stir-fried wing beans using the same blended sauce at home. And we don't even require a barbecue pit to do all this. Please stay with me till the end to accompany me throughout the whole session to see for yourself how easy it is. Following are the ingredients we need to blend: 200 g shallot, 20 g garlic, 50 g galangal, 50 g fresh turmeric, 30 g lemongrass, 50 g dried shrimps, and 25 dried chilies. Start with blending the chili paste. Due to the capacity limit of my blender, I decided to divide into two portions for the blending process. I start with blending the dried chilies together with the dried shrimps. Add a little bit of water, or you can add a bit of oil. Blend it into a coarse paste and set aside. Now I'm adding in the rest of the ingredients as the second portion to be blended. Same thing, add a little bit of water for the grinding process to take place. Blend it into a spreadable consistency with a rough texture. Now mix both pastes together. Normally when I blend chili or curry paste, I'll do it in a big batch. And there is no exception for this time. The result is, I have extra to be kept in the freezer for future use. By all means, you can do the same. Just ensure that you use the freeze-safe container to keep your extra chili paste. Now step 2 is to saute our chili paste. To saute chili paste perfectly, we need sufficient oil to do that. Ensure our oil is hot enough before adding in our chili paste. The tantalizing aroma is enveloping my whole kitchen now. Season the chili paste with 3 teaspoons of sugar. I'm using natural brown cane sugar here. Two teaspoons of sea salt. I'm using 100% natural French sea salt here. It is less salty and healthier version. Now step 3 is to stir fry our wing beans, or most commonly known as 4-angled beans. To make things easier, you can just leave 4 tablespoons of the same chili paste in the pan, add in 2 tablespoons of oil to stir fry our wing beans. Add in a little bit of water and stir fry over high heat until the aroma is being fully released. Drizzle over drops of light soy sauce for some umami flavor. Not too much, just a few drops is good enough because our chili paste contains this toasted belacan or shrimp paste that is salty enough. For the grilled fish, I'm using stingray here. Of course, by all means, you can use your choice of fish. But stingray makes an excellent choice when it comes to grilled fish. Make a few slits on both sides of the fish. This ensures the fish cooks properly and it tends to absorb the chili paste flavor better. I'm using this special pan here that is designed for pan grilling. This is really good for pan grilling. I personally love this very much because it's hassle-free and when the lid is on, it prevents oil from splatter around. Spread the chili paste on a softened piece of banana leaf. Banana leaf and chili paste are good match because they accentuate each other's flavor, taste, and the aroma to the fullest. Place our fish on it. Now step 4, which is our final step, is to grill the fish. I can't tell you exactly the duration of the cooking time because it really depends on the size and types of the fish that you used and also the pan that you use for grilling. So the best way is to check through the progress of the grilling during halfway. It's time to turn over to grill the other side of the fish when you notice there is a slight char on the sides of the chili paste. Spread some chili paste on another piece of a banana leaf. Turn over the fish gently. Discard the burnt piece of banana leaf and replace with a new leaf. Continue to pan grill the other side of the fish. Our grilled fish is done now. It is so aromatic. Well, don't worry about the char part of the surface of the chili paste. This is the result we want to achieve during grilling process. If you really don't like the char part, well, you can always scrape it off. Easy. But then again, if you really scrape it off, then it will defeat the whole purpose of grilling. Yummylicious! One sauce that brings out 2 types of gourmet creations. Thanks for watching Vinny's Artisan Journey. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please support me by subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Till then, goodbye!